The power of a gesture. Understanding, giving the thumbs up. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common phrase and gesture in the English language, giving the thumbs up. This simple action carries a lot of meaning, and understanding it can help you navigate social situations more effectively. Let's explore what it means, its origins, and how you can use it in everyday communication. Giving the thumbs up is a physical gesture where you make a fist and stick your thumb upwards. It's used to show approval, agreement, or that everything is okay. This gesture is universally recognized in many cultures but is particularly prevalent in English-speaking countries. When someone gives you the thumbs up, they're essentially saying they're pleased with you or the situation. The origins of the thumbs-up gesture are somewhat debated, but it's believed to date back to ancient Rome, where it was used in gladiatorial combat to signify the fate of a defeated gladiator. However, the modern interpretation of the gesture as a sign of approval or agreement has evolved significantly from its historical roots. Giving the thumbs up in communication is quite straightforward. It can be used in various situations: to show agreement with someone's idea or opinion, to signal that you're okay or fine in response to someone checking in on you, as a non-verbal cue during presentations or meetings to show understanding or approval without interrupting. It's important to note that while the thumbs-up gesture is generally positive, its reception can vary based on cultural context. In some cultures, it might be considered informal or even rude, so it's essential to be mindful of the setting and the company. In the digital world, the thumbs up has taken on a new life as an emoji. It serves the same purpose of showing agreement, approval, or that everything is okay. You'll often see it in text messages, emails, and on social media platforms. It's a quick and effective way to respond to messages when words aren't necessary. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of the phrase and gesture, giving the thumbs up. It's a powerful tool in both face-to-face and digital communication, symbolizing approval, agreement, and positivity. Remember, while it's a widely accepted gesture, always consider the cultural context when using it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you found this video helpful. See you in the next one.